Myself, Professor Kamakhi Prasad Das, OES1, retired, Head of Department, Government College, Koraput. I was born in 1964 and lost my vision due to brain tumor. I qualified myself in Barampur Blind School, then BJP College and Utkal University, and qualified in OPSC in 1992. Then I joined as a college teacher in DAP College, Koraput, and then I taught for 5 years there. Then I was transferred to Women's College, Koraput, and taught there for 18 years. During this time, I taught tribal people with special interest. I received Ongos Award from Barampur University for my best teaching and literary activity. I received Surati Ratna in 2025 for my social job, and this is how I contributed many things for development of backward area people. I published around 1 lakh questions through different media. I have got different publications both online and offline. Antardaha, Ajira Ahwan, etc. are my online publications. Let's Know History is an online publication where I published 500 episodes through Radio Surabhi 90.4 FM with help of my wife Nilma Das for the backward people and VI students. I attended many seminars, symposiums in different places, both national and international, and spoke on different topics like child psychology,
they can feel us, they can love us, they can open before us, they can wish us, they can energize us, and they can renovate us.